Hello friends, behind me is our IKE machine model AIO-S1500G. Let's look at the whole giant house. A complete giant house consists of a giant house, a man machine, 4 trolleys, and 280 pieces stainless steel trays, designed for a bunch of 1,000 kilograms fresh products. The stainless steel trays has good heat conduction and strong ventilation. It has reinforcing steel bar on all sides and bottom, so it has a good loading capacity and is not easy to deform. Besides the stainless steel trays, we also have plastic trays and mesh tray for your optional. It is great energy saving. The base working system of a Dehydrator is closed-loop heat pump drying system. In closed-loop air circulation inside a well-insulated drying house, only condensed water is discharged during drying. You will get a clean and hygienic output product. As you can see here, the middle board separates the drying house into 2 parts, which is unique design of wing structure. Reasonable air duct design can maximize the utilization of the air. The main dryer S1500G is using reversal horizontal airflow. Many small holes on the panel are the pathway of the wind. When the air is blown out from the right side, it will be sucked in from the left side. On the contrary, when the wind direction is switched, the right side can be the air inlet and the left side can be the outlet. The wind direction is switched automatically or by manual setting based on your drying purposes and requirements. Why do we call it an AI mode machine? It means all-in-one cabinet. Its size perfectly suits a regular container and it's convenient for ocean shipping and transportation. So when customers receive the machine, they don't need to take time and labor costs to assemble it. This is super convenient for our customers. IKE has powerful R&D technical ability to support your standard requirements.